Oh, I'm sorry. This is called, oh. let me know down in the, let me know lippy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yan. So since Valentine's Day is just around the corner, I'm thinking that I can do more of a Valentine's Day look today, but the focus is not on the makeup tutorial. It's on my review on the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow. Hey guys, it's Editing Yan here. It's the first time you're seeing me like this and I look hideous, but I'm gonna say this once and that's it. It was supposed to be a product review of the Snap Shadows, but I don't know what went wrong in my brain. For some reason I thought it was a makeup tutorial, so I didn't really film an elaborate review of the products, so it's gonna be a makeup review. No, it's gonna be see, it's gonna be a makeup tutorial. Bye. So these are called the Snap Shadows from Fenty Beauty. All of these palettes have 6 shades. I got 3 of them earlier from Sephora. I didn't get all of them just because I don't think I need any more eyeshadows in my makeup collection. These shadows are labeled in numbers, so I got palette number 3, number 4, and number 5. Palette number 3 is called Deep Neutrals. So these are pretty basic colors, just in a darker shade. I imagine it would look so beautiful on darker skin tones, and I love to have the option to smoke my eyes up, so I got this. It looks really pretty. As for palette number 4, it's called Rose. There's a lot of this pinky rosy shade inside, and they have some shimmer, some satin. It's really beautiful. I really want to use a lot of this palette today. For palette number 5, I really got this because 5 is my lucky number. I absolutely love the number 5, so I have to get this. Palette number 5 is called Peach. So the shades are in this peachy tone. It's way lighter than the other 2 palettes that I got. It can be a nice contrast to the other 2 palettes that I'm going to use today. So I'm just mainly focused on the eyes and the review of these palettes today. And hopefully these will help you out with your, I don't know, makeup, your Valentine's Day look, or just like help you decide if you want to get these from Sephora. Okay, so let's get on to the eyes and I'll zoom you right in. Hello, this is really close. I already have my base makeup on. I have my foundation, my concealer, and my brows on already. If you're interested in what products I use for my base makeup, you can head on down to the description below and check out what products I used on my face. So yeah, to prime my eyes, I'm using Fenty Beauty's eye primer. It's definitely one of my favorite primers lately. So I am gonna do my face makeup after my eyes, just because I don't really know what kind of look I would get from the eyeshadows that I'm using today. I have 3 palettes here. Which one should I use? Okay, I'm gonna dig into the palette number 3, Deep Neutrals, into this shade in the corner right here. It's called Nudie Booty for my crease shade, so that I can have everything well blended together. I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush. It's not my first time using these shadows, but I just want to let you see. Let's try this shade as my crease shade. So I'm taking the shade all the way across my crease to even like the inner portion of my, what's this called? I don't know what's it called. And I'm also bringing my crease shade slightly higher just because I want to do more of a dramatic eye look today, because it's all about the eyes. It's not exactly hard to blend, but it's not the easiest to blend out, so there's that. This is palette number 4. It's called Rose. I'm gonna mix the 2 matte pink shades, which are these. This one is called Sleepover. The darker one, it's called Little Miss. I want to blend both of them together and then incorporate them into my crease, just because I want this to be a really pinky look. So I'm mixing the 2 right here. I'm going exactly where the Nudie Booty went just now. actually gave my eye a slight lilac tone to it. Really like it. Apparently these shadows blend really well together, like mixing the pinks with the neutral shade. I like it. It's so soft. I'm in love with it. Okay, what should I go into next? This, I'm telling you, this shade is really catching my eye. This shade is called Diva Fever. So let me see. Ooh. Yes, 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 yes. Can you see? Wow, the shade. I want to try to put this all over my eyelid just to see what it does with my finger. I'm scared. It feels more creamy than powder to me. Wow, the glitters. Do you see the... Oh my gosh. Stunning. And the glitter adheres to your eyes really well. I don't really see any fallouts yet. This is Diva Fever, guys. Wow. So I'm taking more of this Little Mama just to blend out the edges. Oh wow, I love it. I love it so much. So since I want my eyes to be slightly more smoky, I want to go into palette number 3, Deep Neutrals, in these two shades. This is called Shots Fired and No Fudge Given. Go with a flat brush and dipping it into Shots Fired. I'm also bringing this burgundy shade down my eyelids, down to my lower lash line. I'm taking this other darkest shade, No Fudge Given, just to line my eyes a bit. Okay, so for this type of smoky eye, the key is to just really blend everything out, especially on the edges. So I'm just gonna do that. And then I want to go into the peach palette. This is called Bellini Baby. I just want to use this to highlight my inner corners. Oh yes. Oh, that gold. That really brought my eyes together. Thank goodness. So I'm just going to finish up my eyes with some mascara and some liner. I'm going to fast forward this bit because it's nothing new really. Okay, so this is my eye makeup. It's way dramatic than what I was going for. These days I don't really get a lot of chance to put on my makeup because I have to wear a mask every single day, so forgive me. So let's move on to the face. For some reason I don't really want to contour my face today, so I'm just gonna bronze it up with this M7 bronzer. I spoke about this product in my last video, so I can leave it in the cards right up there so you can check it out. For my face, I'm using this NARS. This is called the Free Lover Cheek Palette that I got during Christmas, I think. Since my face is pretty washed out by my eyes, I want to go into a lighter but a warmer cheek color. So, maybe I'm gonna mix these two together. Oh yeah, I'm gonna bring this across my nose, a bit on my forehead because I look so pale. And I want to go into this highlighter. I believe it's called Disco Nights. Just a really nice golden highlighter to match with my inner corners. This is a really nice highlighter. It's so soft. I love it so much. I'm just gonna line my lips with a ColourPop lippy pencil. This is in the shade Brink. I don't want my lips to pack such a punch, so I'm just gonna go into one of my recent favorite gloss. This is called a lip glaze from Nude Sticks, and it's in the shade Nude Cherry. It's beautiful. It's a bit more pigmented than I wanted, but I kind of dig this look. Okay, wow, this was not what I was going for. This might not be a soft glam for Valentine's Day, but it can be a sultry, sexy look for Valentine's night. I just love how glamorous this look is. In Hong Kong, we don't normally get the chance to wear something this dramatic. I am used to this a more intense look, but I feel like a lot of girls in Hong Kong, they don't dare to wear such intense makeup. I honestly don't know why the culture is like this. But this look is so pretty. So these babies, as you can see, are really pigmented. The shimmers are amazing. The glitter shadow that I used on my eyes, I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but I do have a bit of fallout, but that's completely normal because is such a glittery shade. It reflects the universe out of me. But I personally would not recommend this to beginners just because oh my gosh, just because some of these shadows, especially the darker ones, they are harder to blend out. Let me know down in the comments below whether you like these shadows or not, and whether you like my look or not. Do you like a sultry look on Valentine's Day, or do you like an innocent lovey-dovey look for Valentine's Day? Let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can see my face more frequently, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.